So recently we've been looking at solving algebraic equations involving substituting in the variables, then rearranging the equation. So what we're going to do now is rearrange the equation first and then substitute in the values. So this is called changing the subject of the formula. So if we have a look at this equation here, y equals mx plus c, you can see that the subject of this equation here is the y, and these are all the variables. But what if we wanted to make c the subject? So we want to rearrange to get c by itself. So firstly, we want the c to be the subject. So firstly, we want to subtract mx from both sides, left-hand side and the right-hand side. Where'd that R go? So what we're going to do first is subtract mx from both sides. So on the left-hand side, you've got y minus mx. On the right-hand side, you've just got c left. So we can rewrite this equation to make to have c equals y minus mx. And so now you can see that c is the subject of the equation, the formula. So what about if we had that same formula, y equals mx plus c, but we wanted to make x the subject. So we wanted to make x the subject this time. So let's write this here. X is the subject. So in this case, we want to firstly subtract c from both sides. So on the left-hand side, we've got y minus c, and on the right-hand side, we've just got mx left. Okay, so then we still want to get x by itself. So what we're going to have to do now is divide both sides by m to get x by itself. So on the left-hand side, we've got y minus c divided by m. And on the right-hand side, we've just got x left. So we can rewrite this as x equals y minus c on m. So you've got to remember, might be better to put brackets around that one. Remember that it's everything on this left-hand side needs to be divided by m.